What it do, YouTube? We back with another one. I'm in Orlando this week, so had to bring y'all with me. And yeah, y'all just come experience the vibe, see what we doing on. Hey, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, bro. If you like the content, run it up. You feel me? Ain't no reason why not to. Where are we and where are we looking for?
Prompt something 30.
This way. Yep, go that way. We're live. Disney Springs. Stop. No, you grabbed the Portuguese one from Disney Springs.
This
Oh, for real? We're the first ones to win the challenge. We found Mommy.
Hello, we're the first ones to win the challenge.
And of course, Mommy does not pay attention to us. We won the challenge first. Team Anaya, she can't hold anything. Huh? No.
Do you smell that?
What do you smell?
Macaroni and cheese.
Macaroni and cheese. Stop number one on the trip, Disney Springs. Your boy's hungry. She don't want to feed me. It's a bunch of starving kids out here.
I didn't know you were a kid.
It's a time check. What do you mean you didn't know I was a kid? I'm your child. 10:42. I haven't eaten a thing since last night. Somebody call FEMA. If you even peeping, got the scrambled eggs with cheese. If my breakfast ain't coming like this, I don't want it. With the grits of cheese.
Okay, I brought all the
Some good eats, you hear me? Good eats.
Oh, take the escalator.
No, I'm not taking the escalator.
Do it.
You take the escalator.
No, you take the escalator.
That's cheating. She just set me up for failure. I might still beat her. She's stuck in traffic. She got me. She cheated. She wouldn't let me, she made me take the escalator. I don't know why you wouldn't let me just walk up the stairs.
The escalator's so slow because we were doing a race.
That's cheating in the race.
Jalen, can you help me?
Baby, can you help me?
Baby, can you help me? Look at my crusty nails, guys. They're so crusty. So, I am going to Magic versus the Wizards game for the halftime show, and I'm dancing. Hopefully Jalen shows me in his video because, yeah, he better go like this. Whoa, let's go, Naya, yeah. I think he is, maybe, but now that he hears this, maybe he's not, I don't know. So, yeah.
What's crazy to me is the fact that if you lose your charger at a hotel, you'd think that you can get it back. I mean, yeah, of course you can get it back if you call for it, but like, you'd think that, say I came to a hotel, I lost my charger, like at home or something, and I wanted a charger, you think like you could ask the front desk for one for free? No, not here. Because here, $18. How would you feel if you left your charger at home and you had to pay $18 to charge your iPad?
First of all, I never forget stuff.
She's lying. That's the biggest. Stop capping. I ain't gonna lie. I'm only here because my sister doing this, but like I just found out both these teams are trash. The Wizards have won 9 games, and Orlando is below 500. So it's forever L Heat. I'm a Heat fan, so we just here for my sister. I swear. Matter of fact, because of that, give me the Wizards to get their 10th win on the year against Orlando right here. If I had the money, I'm putting the money on the Wizards, which sounds crazy, but I know I'd make a profit, so yeah. Good work.
So nice. You did good, girl.
Hey, slime. Anaya did good, and she got some free donuts. Big halftime performer, trying to be like big bro, you feel me? But we finna see what we keep doing after this. Hey bro, if you still here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for real. To the right, you can't see it? No. Well, gang, I would have been wrong. The Magic ended up winning 110 to 90. And like I said, both of these teams are bad. All right, first off, you're gonna need your ingredients. Today, working with 3 eggs, 3 brown eggs straight from the chicken, you feel? We got us, I thought this was spinach. It's not spinach. It's salad kit. So we're not using that. Got us some bacon. Got us some cheese. All right, those are 3 ingredients you need right there. You need pots and pans, of course. But in the case scenario that you got no greens, I'm just gonna pick out the spinach out of this. So yeah. First things first, I want to chop up my bacon, right? I'm gonna cook the bacon first. I'm gonna cook it in this thing. Put the bacon in that. Put the eggs right here. I'm a professional. That's why I got my hair out, because it's my food and I'm the chef. Ain't nobody else eating it. So don't come at me with this is a F-graded kitchen, blah, 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 blah. Listen, it's my food. You ain't eating it, so relax on me. Bam, egg, crack. Look at that. That was a crisp crack. The crispest. You feel me? I really do this. Omelet Friday's been my thing for a minute now. Omelet Friday, you know. Shout out me and my boy Jew. Making omelets every Friday. That's what your 3 eggs should look like. Just like that. You feel me? That's how you know I cut it. I cut it nice and crisp. You feel me? No shells in it. Because I do this. I told you I'm a professional chef when it comes to the omelets. I'm going to show y'all how to get it done. Okay, so now you want to grab your bacon. I got the bacon. It's a small pan. I'm going to cut it in half. You feel me? And it's going inside of the omelet. So there's no need to have it that big. Grab your pig. Right. Cut them in halves. Throw them in the pot. Watch them sizzle. Oh, I should have sprayed it. Ouch. Yo, Porky ain't crying for help. You ain't doing it right. You should probably spray it. I'm acting like this is my first time doing it. I forgot to spray it. It's gonna stick. It is what it is. You feel me? We gotta do what we do. We already messed up. So now that the bacon done sizzled off the drizzle, I'm gonna take it off. It all depends on how you like your bacon cooked too. I know that it's gonna be inside of a, what do you call that? It's gonna be inside of my omelet. So it ain't gotta be too, it don't gotta be too fancy for me. Now that I got my bacon all chopped and sizzled, I'm now finna throw the spinach inside the bacon grease because I like the flavor, the sauciness, you feel me? And we're gonna put the spinach in there, then we're gonna start cooking the omelet. You dig? And I'm gonna show y'all how to do that. Okay, so now I got them all seasoned up. You feel me? Look at how saucy that is. Cook them in bacon grease, bro. I'm telling you, it's a little unhealthy, but it's alright. It'll be alright. It'll be cool. Ain't nothing wrong with eating plants either. Just don't eat nothing but plants. You feel me? You do need a little bit of meat to you. But yeah, that's that. Now, For your eggs, you are gonna need the non-stick, you dig? Because if you don't have a non-stick, yeah, omelet is gonna be scrambled. It's not gonna be an omelet, you feel me? So shake that up. We did get a new pan now, so now we're gonna layer the bottom and the sides like so. You feel me? Just like that. Put that on there, simple as that. Grab me one of these so it's easy to flip. You feel me? When I scoop up under it now. It's just straight like that. Just don't ask no questions. Take the eggs. Gonna pour that in right there. Should cover up the whole bottom of it. I'm gonna take my ingredients I already have, the spinach and the bacon. Put that in the middle. You should start hearing your egg cooking for real. When it bubbles up, that's how you know you're doing the right thing. You feel me? If it ain't bubbling, it ain't cooked long enough. This is how you make you a Jalen Bussey omelet, bro. I'm telling you. Chef Buss, I really been doing this for real. Now you're gonna take your egg. I'm gonna wipe off my fingers. Get you some cheese. Oh, well, that was too much cheese. It's gonna be a very cheesy omelet. We used the whole bag, that's okay. Now your omelet should look like that. You feel me? It's gonna be a pretty thick little omelet, but now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this. Fold it over, pat it down. Don't that look so good? Don't that look so good? I'm telling y'all, bro. Get you a man that can cook. You want breakfast in bed? I got you. Call Jalen Bussey. You gonna get your omelet. Bam. That's a pretty omelet. I ain't got no sides to go with it, but bon appetit. That's cooking an omelet, Omelet Friday with Bussey. Hey, go make you an omelet, bro. You deserve it.